Hello, hi everyone. This is Kiran, and it's just a regular day of my life. I plan to do this quite a lot of times. मैंने काफ़ी बार अपनी वीडियोस शूट करी इस तरीके से और काफ़ी बार मैंने ये इंट्रोडक्शन भी दिया है और उन सारी वीडियोस में जितना मैंने ऑब्ज़र्व किया लाइटिंग के बारे में, बैकग्राउंड नॉइज़ के बारे में या अपनी आवाज़ की रिकॉर्डिंग के बारे में, खुद ही मैंने खुद को फीडबैक्स दिए हैं और उस बेसिस पे आज मैं फाइनली ये वीडियो शूट कर रही हूँ जो मुझे लगता है कि मैं अपने चैनल पे डाल पाऊँगी। सो हेलो एवरीवन, इट्स किरण एंड मेरा घर का नाम कनक है, तो जो मुझे किरण से ना पहचान पाएँ, दे नो मी बाय कनक। दोज़ हू डोंट नो मी एज़ कनक, दे नो मी एज़ किरण। मेरे दिमाग में इतना कुछ है बोलने के लिए, मतलब एवरी टाइम आई थिंक दैट आई विल स्टार्ट विद माई व्लॉगिंग जर्नी, I have so much going on in my head, that I will talk about this and I will talk about that, and maybe people also are going through the same things. Shit, we call it, right? So, and they will be able to relate with it. But अभी जब कैमरा ऑन है तो एक्चुअली मेरा दिमाग ब्लैंक हो चुका है. इट इज़ जस्ट द कैमरा ऑन, द स्विच ऑफ माई ब्रेन हैज़ बीन टर्न्ड ऑफ. So, but this also shall pass. I believe I will also get comfortable in front of the camera. So let's start. मैं actually office के लिए ready हो रही हूँ. I know this looks a little too festive. This is what I'm wearing. It's a dress, Punjabi suit. So it gets a little too festive looking for going to office. But मैं एक्चुअली कहीं जाने की तैयारी कर रही हूँ, तो जो कपड़े मैं नहीं लेकर जा रही हूँ मैं ऑब्वियसली उन्हीं कपड़ों को अभी ऑफिस पहन कर जा रही हूँ. सो सॉरी फॉर दैट एंड आई विल बी टॉकिंग टू यू वाइल आई गेट रेडी फॉर माई वर्क. सो प्लीज़ माफ़ कर दीजिएगा अगर बीच बीच में मैं कैमरा की तरफ नहीं देख रही हूँ. आई एम अप्लाइंग माई सनस्क्रीन. सो बेसिकली क्या होता है ना, आज मुझे ऑफिस जाना है बट देर आर ऑल्सो डेज वेर आई एम वर्किंग फ्रॉम होम, क्योंकि मेरे ऑफिस में ये फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी है दैट आई कैन वर्क फ्रॉम होम. एंड द डेज वेर आई वर्क फ्रॉम होम आई एक्चुअली invest the additional time that I save from traveling, from not traveling, I invest that into taking long showers that feel like spa at home because honestly मुझे अच्छा लगता है अच्छी फ्रेगरेंसेस और थोड़ा ल्यूकवार्म वाटर. मैं आई एम समबडी हु डजंट टेक cold water showers or hot water showers unless necessary for whatsoever reasons. I am somebody who likes to take lukewarm water showers, but I like to have fragrances all around me when I'm doing so. And then when I come out, I'll apply good amount of body lotion, body moisturizer, body butter, body milk, whatever you would like to call it. And I top it with my final perfume for the day. So there are a couple of fragrances that I like using, and it is only those fragrances that I keep switching between. So yeah, that is how I get ready for work, and that is how I invest my saved time on the days where I'm working from home. Generally, when I take breaks at home, I am sitting with my mom because I like talking to her. She is quite literally the only person in my life currently who I am able to give sufficient time. And she will also patiently listen to whatever I am saying, whether it's a rant or it's just normal venting out, or maybe I am just happy about something and I will go to her and I will tell her, Mummy, pata hai aisa aisa hua. Or you know, the fun part is She hasn't seen any of my colleagues or my stakeholders for real, but she knows all of them. I would say about 95% of them bases the stories that I have told her. Some X did this, Y said that, Z got this. So that is how I keep talking to my mother. Like, people talk to their friends, I talk to my mom. And I think it is the most rewarding activity throughout the day. Not throughout the day, from the entire day, that is the only activity that's very rewarding, I would say. Whenever I'm talking to mom, she's like patiently listening to me. She's very attentive and she'll fully engage in the conversations. Ki acha, fir isne kya bola? Because she knows it is within me and I need to get it out of my system. So she will also patiently sit and talk to me. And I don't know, but I mean, I'm guessing most of our parents, they are this way, right? They know their kids want to talk and they will spare some time out for us. They will get engaged completely in the conversation. So if you are also somebody who likes to talk to their parents more than their friends, or people who are the same age, if you're also somebody who loves doing that, do let me know in the comments. Do tell me that I'm not the only one, because as of now, people tell me that I am the only one who does that. And I would definitely want to believe that I'm not crazy. So please do comment in my comment section. Let me know if this is what you guys also do. Moving forward to how I spend my day at present is just by working. Work actually consumes a lot of time of your day, but at the end of it, I think, when you, I mean, me personally, I go hit the gym sometimes. I will either go for a 30-minute walk, basic walk, and maybe I will take my mom along. So we end up chatting while on the walk as well. And I believe I am burning more calories than expected because of walking and talking. So yeah, that. और मोस्टली फिर क्या, घर आकर हम डिनर कर लेते हैं, सो जाते हैं. थोड़ा बीच बीच में ऐसे एक्टिविटीज चलती रहती हैं, जैसे मतलब वी विल समटाइम्स पेंट बिफोर वी स्लीप, और मे बी वी ऑल सिट टुगेदर, माय सिबलिंग्स, माय पेरेंट्स, ऑल ऑफ अस, एंड वी सिंग सम सॉन्ग्स रैंडमली. और चाइल्डहुड की कोई स्टोरीज बता देते हैं पेरेंट्स, ऐसे कुछ होता है. एंड दैट इज हाउ वी एंड द डे. So I would not say that this is a very nice routine to follow, or my life is like absolutely fantabulously going on. But I would also not say that this is something bad. अच्छी चल रही है लाइफ, है ना? बहुत ज़्यादा ग्रेट भी नहीं है और कुछ ऐसा ख़राब भी नहीं है, कहीं बीच बीच में है. समवेयर आई एम नॉट सेटिस्फाइड विथ व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग करेंटली, या जो मेरा रूटीन है, या जैसे भी मेरी लाइफ में अभी सिचुएशंस हैं, जो भी है, समवेयर आई वुड से आई एम नॉट very very happy. But yeah, this is how it is currently. It is in the beach phase. And I know I am not the only one, but maybe I am the only one who mustered the courage to come out here and talk about it. So if you are able to resonate with what I said, please do hit the subscribe and like button. Would really help me a lot. I am doing this not with the intention of starting a vlog or my vlogging journey, like I said, but uh, with the intention of documenting my life currently, right? So that when all of this has settled, maybe I have moved past all of this, sometime later in life, I would want to turn back and look at how I felt while in that moment, right? So, yeah, that is why I'm making this video. I'll quickly go and put on my earrings, and then I will move for work, right? So I'm just checking. Because it's winters, I'm just normally checking whether I've got dandruff in my hair. And no, you can see my hair is clear. So there's no dandruff. I've just shampooed my hair. Like I said, I need a proper spa session when I'm taking a shower. So I did put on some conditioner, shampoo, uske pehle champi, the usual stuff. So yeah, that is what I did. Maybe I will put on some mascara. Let me see. This is how I actually get ready. Very random. Nothing is planned, but I'm always pleased by the end result. I put on some lip balm while I was talking to you all. You must have seen in the video, because before I put on lipstick, I like to hydrate my lips. It helps with my lips not looking chapped. Now I put on some mascara because I don't know, I'm feeling like my lashes need some definition. Oh, so this is every time I put on mascara, this needs to happen. I'm not a pro at this, guys. I'm just normally getting ready for work. Maybe I'll use the winner. Wait a minute. Yeah. Do you see the difference? So I put on mascara on this one and not on this one. And there's a clear visible difference. I'm not saying that you should put it on, but I'm only saying I've got small and droopy eyes, and I like to highlight them so that at least they're visible from afar. People know that I do have eyes. I'll just do the other eye, and yeah, maybe then I will leave for work. But remember, लाइफ बीच बीच में भी है, तो भी सही हो जाएगी, राइट माय फ्रेंड्स? बाय बाय, टेक केयर.